Hello. I believe that you deserve to trust yourself. My microphone string got caught on the camera leg. Now, it's very important. I believe you deserve to trust yourself because if you don't trust yourself, you're not going to be able to know when to pull the trigger and when to move faster and to move forward. You're not going to be able to understand what opportunities are presenting yourself, okay? Or presenting themselves to you to be capitalized upon. A great example of this was, there was a couple of years ago, there was a string of where I was making um, decisions that weren't the best, and it caused me that after I stopped making those decisions, not to be able to trust whether or not I was making good business decisions. Because I was like, how do I know if I'm actually going to be able to make this work if the last 5 decisions I made were not working? And what happened was I was missing out on a lot of, in hindsight, obvious opportunities that I could have done if I had been, aware and I had been trusting myself. It's the same thing in your business, okay? So you need to learn how to go and trust yourself. You need to be able to constantly write down all of the good decisions you've ever made in business or in your life and constantly reflect on those. So that whenever you see a new opportunity, even though I know you might have made mistakes in the past, everybody has, you're going to be able to do that faster, right? And to see, okay, cool. So I know I've done that mistake in the past, but here are all the good things I've done. Here are all the good things I've learned, and I'm not going to make that mistake again. Now I can move forward with my life, and I can constantly be able to enhance and improve. If that's what you've been searching for, if you want someone to step by step walk you through how to actually improve and grow your business and enhance your life, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon, and see you later.